Hello and welcome to Topic 9, Lesson 3. Today we'll be talking about place value again. What's really essential to understand today is that the position of a digit and a number tells its value. And we started to take a look at this. One of the things that we'll find is we've put these numbers in different positions, in different places. That's why it's called place value. But this 2, it could have been anywhere. It could have been here. And we would have 1, 2 tens. But it's not there. So we have 5 tens. It could have been here. And then we would have had only 1, 2 ones. But it's not here. So we don't have 2 ones. There's a 9 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Where we put those numbers is really important. And that's why we call these digits, not numbers. Right? We've got 3 digits, and we can put different numerals in any of these to let us know what the quantities are in them. It's also going to be really important to note that whenever we get 10 of these, we're going to make a new unit because it takes 10 of a number in any place on this place value chart to make a number in the next greater. So if I end up, for example, here, putting on another 1, this isn't a 9 anymore, but we're not going to say 250, 10. We're going to do something called regrouping. In this case, what regrouping means is putting these together, like bundling them together to make one of these 10s. And that's going to be really important for today's lesson. I'm just giving you a preview before we get started. So let's start with the same number that we used last time, 259. How many hundreds are there? Very good. There are 2 hundreds, and you can also see that by counting. 1, 2. How many 10 rods are there? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's why there's a 5 in the tens column. How many ones cubes are there? You should be able to tell by looking at it because I've put them here in a special way called the 10 frame way, but just in case, we count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's why we put a 9 here in the ones column. So when we put a 2 in the hundreds column, a 5 in the tens column, and a 9 in the ones column, what number is shown? That's right. As you can see, the shown number is 259. That's 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and 9 ones. So the place value chart, and that's this again, it shows the number of hundreds, tens, and ones in any number. So why is the 2 written in the hundreds column? That's right, because it's the number of hundreds that we have, as you can see, 2 of these. Why is there a 5 in the tens column? That's right, because there are 5 of these. What number is how much is 5 tens? It's going to be 50. 5 tens is worth 50, but it's only 5 tens. What number is written in the ones column? Yes, it's definitely a 9 written in the ones column. What's the value of 9 ones? That's right, it's 9. So as we're looking at this, we should also be able to ask a question. What would happen if this number here in the hundreds column, what happened if we changed it? What if a number had 6 hundreds, 5 tens, and 9 ones? Well, let's see. We'll get rid of this. We'll change this to a 6. And we'll add on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number now is 659. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So 650. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. So 659. What I want you to think about today as you're doing your work is, how can you find the value of a digit using a place value chart? Remember, we're going to put these numerals in here. Those are going to be our digits, because a 6 here, its value is different than a 6 here or a 6 here. 6 hundredths has a different value than 6 ones. I would much rather have $600 than $6. Please be thinking about that while you do your work today. I hope you guys are going to have a good day today, and I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.